What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube Barber Academy, and special thank you for being a member. Only the members are going to get to see this piece of content in its totality, and the rest of the world is going to have to wait as we release these videos over the next couple of weeks. But I went to a shop, I have a bunch of stuff, and we're going to continue this series, but I have a bunch of stuff that I was going to give away, so each barber had to answer 2 out of 3 questions correctly, and did they win? All right, let's see how it goes. I'm out here prowling the mean streets of St. Augustine. Call me Gamma Claus, because me and Gamma, we came up with this idea where we're going to give away some stuff just to get into the Christmas spirit of giving and help out some of these barbers that may or may not use our stuff. All right, you guys, we're at the first location. This is the first shop that a lot of people told me to come by and check this shop out. What's your name, bro?
Hector.
Hector. Hector's going to get a chance to win the robe. This is actually a clipper and a trimmer combo. So I'm going to ask him 3 real easy questions, and hopefully he gets the answer.
It might be easy to you.
All right, so the first question is going to be real easy because he's working with one. He's got an Alpha here. What kind of motor is in the Alpha?
Rotary motor.
Oh, that's one. That's one. The Barber technical term for the highest point of the head. Don't say it. Don't say it. These guys want to play. I'm going to hit one of you next.
One eternity later.
No. This is the final one. I'm nervous for you.
Okay,
You got to win this one. What is the name of the bone that protrudes from the base of the skull?
That is the occipital bone.
Bang! We got a winner! All right, my guy.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir. Merry Christmas. For Christmas, to get into the spirit of giving.
Yeah.
This robe is actually nasty. It comes equipped with our new one blade. The one blade changes every gamma trimmer and makes it hit like really, really hard. So you're gonna enjoy that. And that is actually an ergo. It's got a magnetic motor in it. It's real forgiving.
Nice, bro.
Hey, Hector, thank you, man, for playing. I'm over here with Waylo, and where we at? What barbershop we at?
Kingshare Barber Club.
Kingshare Barber Club. Ready to play for a chance to win this hitter. All you got to do is answer 3 questions correctly, and you'll win. Okay? The first question, which I don't think you heard when I was asking over here. All right, so I'm gonna throw you an easy one if you did. What is the technical term for the highest point of the head?
The highest crown?
Nope.
The highest point of the head.
Highest point of the head.
Up here?
If I was to take a comb and draw a line across the occipital bone, what is the area underneath the occipital bone referred to? I know he knows. He knows the actor wants to win again. He can't figure it out. I'm gonna let you phone a friend for this one. It is the nape. All right, you got to get one more question correct. Give me the name of 2 different types of motors that could be in a clipper.
Rotary and magnetic.
Hey, that's a winner right there. All right, so he's got one more question, right? Okay. One more question, and you either win or you don't. Who's the best team in the NFL right now?
Who's the best team in the NFL?
Who's the best team in the NFL? And it don't have to be the technical best.
The Bears.
Oh, it goes. All right, thank you for playing, man. I appreciate all y'all. All right, y'all, we at a different shop, and I got 2 more things to give away. This one's called Mel's Barbershop. All you got to do is win it. All right, so listen, man, you guys going to answer 3 questions. You get them right, you're going to get, you know what? We'll put this one up. We'll put this one up towards you. Okay. And then you next, all right? All right, bet. I got a feeling you guys can let each other borrow them, so let's do it, all right?
Yeah, let's
So, all right, first question. What is the highest point of the head? The barber technical term for the highest point of the head.
Apex.
Ooh, he's good with it. All right, what is the bone that protrudes out the back of the head?
Occipital bone.
All right, you already got 2 right. You win, bro.
Okay.
Boom. What's your name, man? How do they find you?
My name is Dustin Monk. You can find me on Instagram at Mr. Monk the Barber.
You gotta say it in Spanish so I can understand, bro. My English is not really good looking. You feel me?
I feel you. All right, so we're gonna put up a hitter. All right, what's your name and how do they find you?
Edwin. RG.
Okay, Edwin's gonna try for a chance to win this Gamma hitter. This whole idea is kind of like Gamma Claus. Gamma had me. We just decided to team up and kind of go out and just give some stuff away for Christmas. You know? All right, so first question. If I was to draw a line across the back of the head, starting where the base of the skull protrudes, the area below, what is this area called? I know she wanted to say it.
The neck.
Is that your final answer?
That's my final answer.
Bro, if I was to take a comb and place it along the side of my head, where that comb leaves the head, what is that area called? I'll even...
Bald-headed. No, I don't know what it's called, man.
You don't know what it's called?
No, I do not. I do not.
That's two, man. You can't
Hey,
win.
man, I still get something free, he said. I gotta get a haircut or something.
He wants a haircut. You want to play real quick?
Of course. Play.
All right. So since you didn't win, she's gonna get it. She's gonna get it. I want to leave this here, y'all. I want to leave this here. All right. All right, Isabella, you ready to play for a chance to win a hitter?
Sure.
Okay. All right, what's it called when you clean around the client's ears? You can do it with shears, a razor, or with a trimmer.
Around.
Almost. That's not an incorrect answer. McDonald's has two of them.
Yeah.
It's not the goal. Yes, Archie. Archie. What is the word for the amount of hair per square inch?
Amount of hair per square inch.
Yep.
How thick it is.
Almost.
Density.
Density. Ding, ding, ding. We got a winner, all right? Hey, we got a winner. Awesome. All right, you guys, let me know what you think about this content and how would you have done. Catch you in the next one. Peace.